Welcome to the New Indian Express update on big developments in Kerala today. The gunman of the UAE Consulate Administration Attaché, who was missing since Thursday evening, was found in a semi-conscious state about 300 meters from his house this afternoon. S.R. Jayaghosh was found with a deep cut on his left wrist. The attaché, whose name was linked to the gold smuggling case, had left the country on Tuesday. Meanwhile, an NIA team visited the crime branch in Thiruvananthapuram seeking information on the forgery case against Swapna Suresh, an accused in the gold smuggling case. The crime branch had probed an allegation that Swapna had forged signatures of 16 female officers of Air India SATs to implicate an Air India officer in a fake sexual harassment case. Two more persons were taken into custody in the gold smuggling case. Both are from Malappuram and said to be financiers for gold smuggling. Customs has arrested 8 persons in the case so far. Senior Congress leader V.D. Satishan on Friday gave notice for a no-confidence motion against the Pinarayi Vijayan government in the backdrop of the gold smuggling case. In a letter addressed to the Secretary of the State Assembly, Satishan said the Congress-led UDF expresses no confidence in the LDF government. He sought permission to move the resolution on July 27 during the Assembly session. In COVID news, Kerala reported 2 deaths due to the coronavirus on Friday. A 46-year-old native who died in Thrissur on Wednesday tested positive for COVID on Friday. The second is a 73-year-old nun who died at a private hospital in Kochi on Thursday. Sister Claire was staying at SD Convent, Kuripalli. Following the test result, 17 nuns, a doctor and the nurses who attended to the nun have gone into quarantine. That's all for now. Please join us again later for the update on COVID situation. Thank you.